Yes, children. In the last video, I explained up to parasites. Okay. What are parasites? I give the explanation of Cascata plant. You are seeing that. Okay. Cascata is called a parasite. Parasite means which depends on the other. Okay, children. Next, we are passed on to this. You already see this, I think. Insectivorous plant. You are seeing the picture neatly. You are seeing that it is a plant which eats insects. Okay, children. There are few plants which can trap insect and digest them. It is amazing. Such plants may not green or of some other color. Look at the picture how the structure is modified at a part of leaf. It is a part of a leaf which is modified like this. Okay, children. The apex of the leaf forms a lid which can open and close the mouth of the picture. Inside the picture, there are hair which entangle the trapped insect. The lid closes and the insect is trapped. The insect is killed by the juices secreted in the picture and its nutrients are absorbed. Such insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants. What is insectivorous plants means? Which eat insects. Okay, children? Which eats insect. Okay, children. You are seeing this? Yeah, you observed that. What are parasites? Give some examples. Mosquitoes, bedbug, lice, leeches. These are parasites. Okay, children? If the picture plant is green and carries out photosynthesis, then why does it feed on insects? This is the question. Okay, children? This is the question. You find the answer for that. Next is, yes, children, this is a very important saprotrophs. Saprotrophic nutrition. Symbiosis. The words are new to you, I think. Saprotrophs. Saprotrophic nutrition. Symbiosis. Okay, children? This is new word to you. Just I give the explanation for this. Okay, children? Saprotroph. You are seeing some mushrooms. You are purchased from the market. Okay, children? In your textbook, page number 6, figure 1.7, packet of mushrooms. You are seeing red mushroom here. And also, in the next picture, you seeing a bread and also a small dots on bread. That is fungi growing on bread. Fungi growing on bread. Even in your home, you are seeing the fungi is also grow on pickles. A white color layer comes on pickles. Leather. If we left using of leather slippers, leather cloths, we are seeing a white color. It is if you see a humid weather for a long time during the rainy season, they spoil many things. Okay, children, this we call it as fungi. See here, are you observing, children? What you are observing? Mushroom, bread, fungi growing on the bread. Okay, children, I am going to explain you what is saprotrophic nutrition. You are seeing, children, where the mushrooms grows. Mushrooms grows on dead and decaying matters. Okay, children. You are seeing bread is a dead. Okay, children. This we call it as saprotrophic nutrition. That is the mode of nutrition in which organism takes in nutrients from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. Such organisms with saprotrophic nutrition, we call it as saprotroph. Can you understand, students? Means which grows on dead and decaying. Which grows in the place of dead and decaying. Okay, children. Then the main is what is symbiosis. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and nutrients. This relationship we call it as symbiosis. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and what? Shelter and nutrient. This relationship we call it as symbiosis. The main examples for this is leeches. You are seeing a white fourth figure, that is a chlorophyll containing partner which is an alga and a fungus live together. The fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to the alga, and in return the alga prepares and provides food to the fungus. Okay, children? Yes. Our next is how nutrients are replenished in the soil by rhizobium. Okay, children. See here, children. You learned that plant absorbs minerals and nutrients from the soil. So, their amounts of the soil keeps on declining. Fertilizers and manures containing nutrients which has nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus. These nutrients needed to be added from time to time enrich the soil. Okay, children? Yes, what makes this mix in the soil? That is, addition of fertilizers and manures enriches the soil. The bacterium called ribosium, you are seeing that is ribosium. Ribosium can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into as able form, but rhizobium cannot make its own food. Can you understand, students? Ribosium cannot make its own food. So it oftenly lives in the roots of grams, peas, mung, etc. Same way, it provides them nitrogen. In return, the plant provides food and shelter to the bacteria. That they have a symbiotic relationship. Means these roots gives us food. This ribosium gives us support. That is, these have a symbiotic relationship. Okay, children? Plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. Okay? Yes, children. These plants we call it as leguminaceae. That is pulses. Most of the pulses are obtained from leguminaceae plants. Yes. Last for conclusion, students. In this chapter, I explain you most of the plant are autotrophs. Only a few plants are parasitic or saprophytic. They derive nutrition from other organisms. All animals are categorized as heterotrophs since they depend on plants and other animals for food. Yes, I think you all understand this lesson. Okay, children? Thanks for watching.